The Waterford blends innovative design with stunning sightlines throughout. Engineered beams replace traditional columns in key areas, creating a spacious feel and visual flow from the front living room to the rear kitchen or optional sunroom. At heart is our largest gourmet kitchen, featuring expansive counters, a grand island breakfast area, and tech center. A smart entrance from the garage offers stylish storage for daily essentials. The adjacent family room boasts sloped ceilings and a cozy gas fireplace. Upstairs, a striking staircase leads to 3 bedrooms, a full bath, and a luxurious owner's suite. Part of our estate's collection, the Waterford offers unmatched flexibility with options like a sunroom screened porch, upstairs media room, extended walk-in closet, and 2 alternate downstairs bedroom and bathroom layouts to suit